Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding animated text to your Instagram stories. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Instagram and go to create a story like normal. Add your photo or video and then tap on the AA button in the top right corner to add text. Type the text that you would like to be animated. Then tap the A in the top right corner to animate your text. You now have a few different animations to choose from. You can scroll through the different fonts at the bottom to choose different animations. Tap Done when you are happy with your text. You can pinch your text in and out to make it bigger and smaller and change the angle of it. When you are happy with your text animation, tap Send To and then share it to your story. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.